Question 18, JAM 2023 Mathematics. A committee of 5 people is to be chosen from a group of 6 men and 4 women. How many committees are possible if there is to be a majority of women? Now, this question is a question on combination. You know, we have permutation and combination, but this time around is combination. And combination has to do with selection, while permutation has to do with arrangement. We have met a question before on permutation, but this time around, this is combination, selection. Now, there is a condition. The condition is that there should be majority of women. That means women should always be more than the men in the committee that we are to form. And don't forget, we need just 5 people in the committee, and the total of men that we have is 6, while the total of women is 4. So let's come with solution. Now, this can be done in either 2 ways. First of all, is either we select the whole of the women and just need only 1 man out of the 6 men that we have. So the whole of the women are 4. So we can select 4 out of 4 women. That is 4 combination 4. Multiply by, we only need 1 man out of these 6. That's 6 combination 1. Or we should have it as we can still select just 3 women, then need 2 men. So in that case too, women are still more than men. So it's either we can still select 3 women out of 4. That's 4 combination 3. 4 combination 3 multiply by. So out of these 6 men, we want to select just 2. So that means we have 6 combination 2 is still up to 5. So because 4 plus 1 here will give me 5. And 3 plus 2 here will still give me 5. So we can't have more than that. We can't go more than this. Because anytime if we go less than 3 for the women, it will make the men be more than the women. So, and we want majority of women in the committee. So now, or stands for plus. I will just change the or to plus. So 4 combination 4 times 6 combination 1 plus 4 combination 3 times 6 combination 2. Now, you need to know how to evaluate combination, because the calculator that they will give you is not something that you can use to evaluate combination. The definition of combination is that n combination r equal to n factorial all over n minus r factorial r factorial. This is the formula for combination. So you can see it from there. Now, if we apply this to this first one, you have to be fast. So we can have 4 factorial all over 4 minus 4 factorial and 4 factorial. So that's what we are going to have. Of course, I know that this will give me 1. But for a student that does not know, that doesn't have idea of this before, I have to do it. So this will be 6 combination 1. That's 6 factorial all over 6 minus 1 factorial and then 1 factorial plus 4 combination 3. That's 4 factorial bracket 4 minus 3 factorial and 3 factorial. Multiply by 6 factorial all over 6 minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. So if we break this further, 4 factorial can cancel 4 factorial. And 4 minus 4 factorial, that's 0 factorial. 0 factorial will give me 1. So this will give me 1 times, of course, 1 factorial here is 1. So this will be 6 factorial all over 6 minus 1 factorial, which is 5 factorial. I can break that one as 6 times 5 factorial all over 5 factorial. That's what I can have here. 5 factorial will cancel 5 factorial. So I will have 6 as a result of this. All of this should be in a student's head. But because I am teaching it, I want students to be familiar with this. I have to show everything. So plus 4 factorial all over this. So of course, I can write this as 4 factorial. Let me do that here. 4 factorial all over 4 minus 3. That will give me 1 factorial times 3 factorial. So I can still break this as 4 times 3 factorial all over 1 factorial is 1. So this is 3 factorial. This times this. That will just give me 4 times 6 combination 2. Let me clean off this. So let me just clean off this. So I can have 6 factorial as this all over 6 minus 2. That's 4 factorial times 2 factorial. I can break this as 6 times 5 times 4 factorial all over 4 factorial times 2 factorial. These and these are gone. So 2 factorial is 2. 2 times 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So we have 3 times 5, which is 15. So the remaining thing here I can simplify. 1 times 6 will give me 6 plus 4 times 15. That will give me 60. Then 6 plus 60 will give me 66. And that is my final answer. Because of explanation, that is why this is longer than this. So for a student, you need to learn how to work it out fast. So thank you.